Let's now have a look at what it looks like to work with multiple brands. So let's say, for example, you have a company that has different subsidies across a certain region. Then you might want each subsidy to have their own kind of social media marketing, as an example. In this case, you would typically add brands to the spectrum, or maybe even your marketing agency that has multiple companies as clients, meaning that each of your clients would have their own brand that you then use to market them internally via VirtusNova. In these both cases, you do need a number of brands active. So at the moment here, I'm on a premium subscription only with one brand. To activate multiple brands, I would need to upgrade. And that is pretty easy to do, honestly, but I'm just going to be showing you anyways over here. From this point onwards, what we now have thereafter is we will have two brands available, which we can instantly then go ahead and set up. Adding a brand, we have an entire different video on this, but for each individual brand, you put in the brand details, you put in the different media library files that you have, you define a posting schedule, etc. So everything that you did for the initial brand that we already showed you how to set up in a separate video, you would go ahead and do this per brand and create separate environments for you to be able to really market your different brands individually, but still do all of this within one space, being VirtusNova. In addition to these brand details, you also have the difference in terms of social media channels which you have connected, which is also on a brand by brand basis. So we didn't just save the brand I had opened a moment ago, hence we only see our kitchen over here, but you would be able to switch between the different brands and then connect your social media channels respectively, as well as, depending yet again on your subscription, the cloud storage integrations as one example, and a few other features that are brand specific. One of these features being the inspiration hub. Same thing goes as well for the calendar. Switching in between brands is quite easy, as we just use the top navigation over here and switch in between the brands, where in my case, of course, I only have one set up.